2. This is the first of 4 short videos where I'll use the spreadsheet Excel to explore this Ulster rugby dataset. The data consist of player stats taken from the Ulster Rugby website. I copied the data from the site and pasted them into this Excel spreadsheet. Each data row corresponds to a rugby player on the Ulster squad. So this is the row for Rodney Ayew, this one for John Andrew, then Mark Best, and so on. The columns tell you about the players, their surname, first name, the position they play, the day, month and year of their birth, their heights in centimetres, their weights in kilograms, the number of Ulster caps they've earned, the number of international caps, and this final column, country, it's incomplete, but it indicates the country of origin of a few of the big name players from overseas. Okay, let's investigate. Here's my first question. How many players are in the squad? Well, we can just scroll down to see that the final row corresponding to Roger Wilson is row 48. But remember that the first row has been used for headings. So there must be 47 players in the squad. Question 2 is how many members of the squad have not yet played for Ulster? So these would be players with 0 Ulster caps. I'll select this column, caps Ulster, and with this cell selected I right click and I can sort the numbers in this cell in ascending order, sorting from A to Z. And by the way, it hasn't just sorted this column alone, but the rest of the table has been sorted as well so that the rows still match up. And if I count the number of zeros in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I can see that 8 members of the squad have still not played for Ulster. At the other end of the table are the players with the most Ulster caps. So Roger Wilson with 215, Andrew Trimble 208, Rory Best 191, and so on. And question 3, who are the oldest and who are the youngest players in the squad? I can use the same trick here. I'll use this column, date of birth, year, and with this cell selected, right click, and again I'll sort in ascending order, sort A to Z. The oldest players are the ones with the smallest numbers in this column. So Roger Wilson is the oldest player. He was born in 1981. Next comes Rory Best, born in 1982. Then Franco van der Merwe, and so on. And I need to scroll to the bottom of the table to see the youngest players. The very youngest is Johnny McPhillips, who was born in 1997. Then Jacob Stockdale, Brett Heron, and so on. And as you would expect, these younger players haven't won very many Ulster caps yet. But compare that with the oldest players, who have won lots of caps.